Hi guys and welcome back to my course. In this video, we will learn how to create a React project. So when you build a React application, there are a lot of libraries which are required to make the application function properly. For example, React, React DOM, Webpack, Babel, etc. etc. We will talk about them in the coming videos. So this gives us two options to create a React project, either to install all those libraries and configure the entire project ourselves, or we can use a tool officially provided by the guys who developed React. It is called Create React App. It installs all the libraries and packages required, and it creates a default configuration for a React project. It also adds some starter files in this newly created application. So let's check it out. So open your browser and we can simply search create React app here. So create React app. Open create React apps GitHub page. So it's this first link. So if you scroll down, you can see here all the installation instructions and other details about this tool, how it works, what happens behind the scenes, etc. etc. You can check it out if you like. I will add the link in the description below. Now to create a new React project, we can simply run this command. But before we do that, if you notice, we've got one npx here and one npm. So what are these? npm is the node package manager for JavaScript. It helps you manage all the third-party libraries and packages that you will be installing for your application. npm is installed automatically when you install Node.js. And this npx, it is a node package runner. It is used to download and run a package temporarily. So in this case, we will be using create React app only once to create our project, and we would not need to run it afterwards. So that's why we are using npx over here. So first, let's install Node.js. So again, open a new tab, search for Node.js. Open this first URL, it's the official site of Node.js. You can click on this first button to download Node.js for Windows. But if you're running Mac or Linux, you can click on this downloads menu item. And here you can find all the versions of Node for different operating systems. So you can find the version compatible with your OS. So as you can see, it's downloading. So once the file is downloaded, click on it to install Node.js. Click on this next button and follow the instructions and install Node.js just like you would install any other application. So in my system, it's already installed, so I wouldn't follow these steps. So once Node.js is installed, open your command prompt or terminal, depending on whether you're running Windows or iOS or Linux. Run the command node space -v. So this gives the version of Node installed on the system. So this just confirms whether Node will install properly or not. After that, run another command npm space -v. So this returns the version of npm installed along with Node. So again, this verifies whether npm was installed on your system or not. Okay, so as you can see, I'm getting versions for both Node and npm. That means it's installed properly on my system. Now we can run create React app commands. So it was npx space create -react -app space followed by whatever name you want to give your application. This name will be used to create a directory for your React app. So let's say first React-app. Hit enter and create React app will configure an entire React application. It will install all the libraries, set up default configuration, and everything else that is required. So as you can see, it's installing React, React DOM, React scripts. It takes some time, so just wait for it. And as you can see, Create React app created a new project for us. Now let's try running this application. So to run it first, we need to go to the project directory. So cd followed by whatever was your project name. So in my case, it was first hyphen react hyphen app. So as you can see now, I'm inside this directory. So if I do dir, it gives me a list of all the files inside that directory. So wherever you've got this file package.json, there you can run this command npm space start. So what this command does is it starts a local server and loads the default application created by create react app in the browser. So I hit enter. Now it will start the local server. And as you can see, it has started the local server. So it's running at localhost and the port 3000. And if you see behind this window in the browser, there's a new tab with name React app. So if I go back to the Chrome, and as you can see, Create React app created this default application for us. In the next video, we will see what all files are created by Create React app. And that's all for today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of how to use Create React app to start a new React project. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.